Hi everyone, this is Pooja Khandpal. Welcome to in my YouTube channel Infinity. So today we are going to discuss question number 4 of exercise 3.2. As question is, which of the following pair of linear equation are consistent, inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So in our last videos we discussed what is consistency and what is inconsistent. Okay, so here algebraic equations will be inconsistent when we have no solution. Okay, when we have no solution, then it will be inconsistent. But if we have at least one solution, means one solution or more than one solution, then that equation will be consistent, right? So for inconsistency, the lines will be always parallel, and for consistent it will be intersecting lines or coincident line. Okay, for parallel lines it will be the comparison of ratios will be a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2, but not equals to c upon c2. Okay, so we have to keep in mind this before going to solve this question. Okay, so first part is x plus y equals to 5, 2x plus y 2y equals to 10. So here we have to first make solution of these two equations. Okay, so here we have two tables for this equation. This is our first equation, this is our second equation. 2x plus 2y equals to 10. If we'll take this 2y to the side, right side, it will be 2x equals to 10 minus 2y will be negative, this will be negative, right? And then x will be 10 minus 2y upon whole 2, right? So see, if you have good approach in equations, or you can if you have if you understand the concept, then by seeing the here, okay, by merely seeing here, you can see that both equations, x plus y equals to 5 and 2x plus 2y equals to 10, both equations are same. Okay, because when you will take common from these two, okay, like this. Okay, so it will be x plus y, 2 is common, then 2 will go to the denominator of this 10, then after cancelling it will be 5. So both equations are equal, and when both equations are equal, their corresponding ratios will be same. If corresponding ratios will be same, then that line will be coincident line, right? So it is also clear from these two equations. Anyways, so x plus xy, we have to find solution for this equation, because we have to solve this question graphically also and then obtain the solution, right? So here when we'll put x, see here, when we'll put 5 y equals to 1, then x will be 4. When I'll put y equals to 2, okay, then it will be x will be 3. When I'll put 3 y as 3, then x will be 2. Okay, so here we have three different solution for the equation, for the first equation. Now second equation, if I'll put in place of x, in place of y 0, okay, if I'll put here y 0, then it will become 0, completely 0 this term. Okay, so we have 10 upon 2, so it will be 5, right? If I'll put 10 y as 1, then this will be 2 ones are 2, then 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 upon 2 is 4, right? If I'll put 3 in place of y, okay, it will be 2 3s are 6, so 10 minus 6 will be 4, upon 2 is 2, right? So here we have solution for this equation. Now next we have to draw a graph. Okay, so x is maximum 5 and y is maximum 3. All right, so here 5 4, this is 3 2 1 0. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our x, this is our y. 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Here we don't need negative terms, so I'm not going to write these negative terms. Okay, so here when x is 4, okay, when x is our 4, this one, then y will be 1. Okay, this is our first point. Next we have 3. When x is 3, y will be 2 here. Okay, when x is 2, y will be 3 something here. Okay, so when we'll draw a straight line for these 3 points, it will be like this. Okay, so this is our straight line for the first equation. Now second one we have when x equals to 5 here, then y is 0. Okay, so it will be this. When x okay, when x is 4, y will be 1. Okay, same here. Okay, the same point. When x equals to 2, y will be 3. When x equals to 2, y will be 3. Okay, so here the second line, the straight line for the second equation will be this. Okay, it will be on the first line. Okay, so because their ratios are same. Okay, here you can see this x upon 2x. Okay, it will be 1 upon 2. Here same 1 upon 2, 5 upon 10 yani 1 upon 2. Okay, so when ratios are same or equal, then equation will be coincident line. ठीक है ना, जो एक दूसरे पे कोइंसिडेंट, एक दूसरे के ऊपर है. ओके, एंड हियर वी हैव इन्फिनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशन, राइट? सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर coincident line and have infinitely many solution, right? So this is our first part, many solution, right? Now the second part is, so for the second part we have two equations, x minus y equals to 8, 3x minus 3y equals to 16. So from here x will be 8 plus y. Okay, when this y will shift to this side, it will become positive, and 3x will be 16 plus 3y, then x will be 16 plus 3y upon 3. So the solution for this equation will be what? When I'll put y as 0, then x will be 8, right? When y will be minus 1, right? Minus 1, then 8 will be 7. Okay, when y will be here 1, okay, then it will be 9. Okay, now for the second one, when I'll put here, okay, when I'll put 0 here in place of y, it will be completely 0, this term. Okay, then we have 16 upon 3, and 16 upon 3 is something 3 5s are 15 and 5.3 something, right? When I'll put minus 1 in place of y, okay, it will be the complete term will be negative minus 3. Okay, so 16 minus 3 is 13. Then answer x will be what? 13 upon 3. Okay, so here we have 13 upon 3, so it will be 3 4s are 12, 4.3 again something. Okay, next if I'll put 1 in place of this, okay, y, then it will be 3. 16 plus 3 is 19, so it will be 3 6 are 18, 16.3 6.3 something. Okay, so I think 3 solutions are enough. Okay, okay, now we have to plot this point on graph. So maximum we have 9 8 and y we have 1. Okay, 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 so here I think this is 2 enough. 1, then 0, this is minus 1, minus 2. 8 maximum. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this is our x axis, this is our y-axis. Now when we have x as 8, okay, x as 8, then y is 0, so first point is here. Second one, when x is 7, this point, then y is -1, this point. When x is 9, then y is y is 1, okay, so this point. So this is our straight line for the equation first. Now second one, we have when we have x 5.3, so 5.3 is something here, okay, then x is 0, so first point is here. When x is 4.3 means here, then y is -1, this one, okay, almost here. Now when 6.3 here, then x is 1, means almost here, okay. So here we have 3 points, 1 2 3. So it will be something like this, okay. So here we can see that these two lines are parallel, they will never intersect or meet anywhere. So here we have so solution will be no solution, no solution, and lines are parallel lines, okay. So this is our second part. Now next we have, just wait. Now third part is 2x plus y minus x equals to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4. So this time I'm going to take x term to this side, okay, and same here. So when I'll put x as 0, then y will be 6. When I'll put 1, x as 1, then y will be 4, okay. When I'll put 2, then y will be it will be 2, same, okay. When I'll put x as 0, okay, y will be -2. When I'll put x as 1, okay, y will be 0. When I'll put 2, x as 2, then y will be 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, okay. So I'm going to draw a graph, okay. X, we have negative 6 is 6, 5 4 3 2 1 0, and -1, okay. So here it is -2 -1 0. All right, so it is x is, we need x as only 2, 1 2 3, here -1, okay. So it is 1 2 3, I think these three are enough. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is y-axis, this is -1, okay. So when x equals to 0, okay, when x equals to 0, y is 6, this point. When x equals to 1, y is our 4, this point, okay. When x equals to 2, y is 2, this point, okay. So when we'll draw a line, a straight line for these points, it will be this, okay. Next we have 0 -2, so 0 -2 here. Next we have 1 and 0, so 1x this point and 2 2 this point, okay. So straight line for these 3 points will be this, okay, just wait. Okay, so this point, so here we can see that these two lines intersect at this point. So this point is what, 2 comma 2, okay. So 2 comma 2 is the solution for these two equations, okay. So as these two lines intersecting each other, so here solution is exactly one solution, why? Because lines are intersecting lines. That's why it has exactly one solution, which is what? 2, 2. Okay, this one. All right, now next fourth part we have. Fourth equations, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Here 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So it will be what? 2x minus 2y equals to 2, right? So then x minus y will be 2 upon 2, that is 1. Okay, from here 4x minus 4y equals to 5. Then 4x will be 4y plus 5. Then x will be 4y plus 5 upon 4. Okay, now we have to find solutions, okay, for these equations. So here xy, okay, see x will be 1 plus y here. So for this equation, when I'll put y as 0, then x will be 1. When I'll put y as 1, then x will be 2. When I'll put y as 2, then x will be 3. Here if I'll put y as 1, then it will be 4 plus 5, 9 upon 4. So 9 upon 4 is 2.5 something. Okay, 2.5, no, 2.4 something. Okay, next if I'll put 2 in place of y, okay, if 0, okay, then this whole term will be 0. Then we have 5 upon 4, so it will be 1 upon 4, 1.2 something. If I'll put 2, then 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, so it will be, okay, 13 upon 4, so it will be 4 3s are 12. Okay, 3.2 something, right? So if I'll plot the graph here, if I'll draw the graph here, then we need y maximum 2. So it is, if it is 2, it is 1 0. Then x we need not more than 3. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5, enough. Okay, so this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. When x equals to 1, y 0, so this point. When x equals to 2, y is 1, this point. When x equals to 3, this, y equals to 2, this point, right? So it will be this line. Okay, now when x equals to 2.4 something here, okay, then y is equals to 1, so this point almost. Okay, when x equals to 1.2, here this point, x, because y is 0, then 3.2, then 2, so 2, 3.2 here, then 2, almost here. I think this is our parallel line, because okay, so I think this one is parallel line. Okay, so here parallel lines, because they are not going to intersect each other, so no solution, again no solution for this equation. Okay, so this is our question number 4th. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching. Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on